Hi guys, what's going on? This is Darius and welcome back to another video. So in today's video, I want to show you AppOwls24, which in a nutshell, this is a software that allows you to create mobile apps. Now, you can create two types of mobile apps, right? And essentially you can create PWA mobile apps, which stands for progressive web apps. And essentially with this one, you can send links to your customers or your clients, and based on that link they can download your app on their PC or mobile. And also you can create native web apps, okay? And with this one, essentially you can go ahead and upload those mobile apps into places like Apple Store, Android Store, or Play Store. So yeah, you can do this one as well. Now, AppOwls24 is not new to the market. It's been around since 2022. And I did a review on the first version, to say so. And obviously, I will link this video down below in the description. But with this new update, essentially, we have the new AI that will generate the app for you automatically, and also some new features, a redesigned user interface, which actually looks really great, because on the last one we had this one, as you can see here. And another cool feature that you have with this update, you can essentially sell courses inside the app. I mean, you can pretty much create mobile apps and sell memberships. You can sell courses, and essentially you can sell information online through these mobile apps, which is really cool. Now, before I show you how this works, I just want to mention that I left a link below in the description of this video, and if you click on that, you will be redirected to my website where you can find more information about AppOwls24, including the pricing, the upsells. There is also some coupon codes here. We also have a bundle deal, and I also have a coupon code for you guys if you decide to buy the bundle. But essentially with the bundle, you get the entire funnel. So front-end offer, upsell 1, 2, 3, and 4, and 5, right? At a one-time payment, and you don't have to pay monthly or yearly and stuff like that. So yeah, you might want to check out the link down below in the description. And also you will find my bonuses. All of these bonuses are free, part of your purchase, if you decide to pick up AppOwls24 through my link. Now, these bonuses will be delivered inside of your JVZoo account after you purchase through my link, right? So I will link the video in the description if you want to check this one out. And what I will do also, I will show you the actual demo video from the new updated version of AppOwls24. Then I will come back and talk about the pricing and the OTOs.
So this is the screen you will be redirected to once you log into this tool. So this is the dashboard of the tool. We have all these elements that will be accessible to you only if you start creating an app. You can see the app message here. Please create app to access this setting. So it is very important for you to create or start creating an app to access all these elements present here. Next, we have these three ways through which we can go ahead and generate our app. First is create app using template, create app from scratch, and generate app with AI. So for now we will go ahead and click on create app from scratch button. So this is the screen that we will be redirected to. Let's get started with your application setup. So we are just starting with our application setup first. Fill in your app's name, app support email, subdomain, custom domain, and upload your logo. Then we have the app's time zone. Let's fill in these details and continue. Once these details are filled, click on continue to start creating our app. So as we are starting it from scratch, so this will be a blank screen. So you can customize it according to yourself. We will have these 4 elements: general settings, page and elements, menu and navigation, theme customization. We'll start with the general settings first. In this we have basic app settings that we already have filled in the setup option. Now we'll go ahead and click on continue. Then we have the splash screen customization option, in which you can upload your app's icon, you can display your app title, you can change or add the background color or image. And then we have external script, header script and footer script. You will have to enter your script for header and footer here, and that will be updated. You can customize it according to yourself. Then we have to go ahead and click on continue. We have the notification setting for now. In this we can switch on and off all the options that we want to be displayed on the screen or on the app. First we have app notification email. If we click on and switch it on, then we have booking notification, purchase notification and form notification. Then we have the cookie consent. If you switch it on, you can enter a cookie consent message and it will be generated in the app as well. Then we have installation bar settings. If we switch it on, then we have the title and description. Then we have the app URL for Android and iOS. This helps the customers to install your app if they like the features of it. So they can just go ahead and click on install now option from here. Then we have authentication settings, which is enable login. If you switch it on and switch it off, it is totally up to you. There is a note: if you disable login for app users, then member restricted pages will not work and profile menu will get disabled. So choose it accordingly. Then we have the enable registration option and email verification. Let's click on continue. Then we have the seller address settings. So we'll have to enter all the seller settings, contact details like email address, phone address, country, state, city and zip. Then we have the SMTP settings. Here you can add SMTP details to send email to your app users. Then we have integrations, in which we have autoresponders. You can connect any autoresponder so you can get the details of your app user on your autoresponders email list also. So you can switch it on according to your usage. Whatever tool you use from these, you can link it here. Then we have SMS settings. We support two type of tools, that are Twilio and Vonage. Last, Google Analytics. Enter your Google Analytics tracking ID to link to Google Analytics. Having trouble finding tracking ID, you can, if you have any trouble finding the tracking ID, you can click here and you'll get how you can do that. Next up, we have payment settings. So you can add new payment account clicking on that, and all the payment methods that we support are mentioned here. You can select it according to yourself and then click on continue by saving the details. Then we have the page and elements section. This is the pop-up that we will get after clicking on add new page. The page settings. Note: in case of rename, remove page, please go to menu and navigation, then update and save your menus. Also make sure the all added link, internal link of the page should be updated. So we have a page title here, so you can go ahead and enter the page title. Make page default, or if you don't want to make it as a default one, then click on no. Then all these options you have to select from that you want to display on the screen. Whichever one you will just switch it on, you will get a pop-up to enter the script so that it can be updated. So if you want to add new page, you can click on add new page, and first one is astrology, and all the things will be added to you accordingly. Now see, when we created this app, this page, these are the elements that we are getting. So we can add any new elements according to ourselves. First one is text. If you click on add, please edit before publishing. So you can add a text here. Then we have media option, in which we have three options: video, image and audio. If we click on video, here it will be asking you for the video. So once you click on this video option, what we can do is click on edit mode and click here. We'll get three options: settings, this one, and if you want to delete it, you can click it here and delete. Now when we click on settings option, this is the pop-up. This will be changed. Please notice that in here you can paste the video URL that you want it to be uploaded. Then video alt, enter image alt here, then background color, and it will be updated accordingly. Then we have the greeting. If you click on add option, then we will have the option to edit it as well. You can click on edit mode and edit it according to yourself. Then we have the button. Here you can of course go ahead and click on settings, this, and you can also delete it from your page. Once you click on the settings, these are the options that you will get: element, comment, content, button type. You can click on URL, call, mail, SMS, whatever you want to choose, you can do it. Then the button text, you can also edit the text that is mentioned here. Then we have button URL type, external link or what, internal or external link, you can select it from here. Then we have the button URL. You can give the URL of the button that you want the button to redirect to by this. Then we have color, button style, color, then text color, button border, and all the settings that you want to update. Then we have the countdown timer. Now if there is any launch that you want to tell your customers about and you want to start a timer, countdown timer, so you can click on the countdown timer, and here it is again, the edit mode. Click on the edit mode, click on this. Let's go on settings. Here pick your date, time, your time zone, your element style, and it will be updated accordingly. Then we have iframe. Insert URL to open inside iframe. Let's click on this. Add iframe content. Let's click on this. You can edit and give the content as you like here. Then we click on settings. You can paste your iframe URL in this option, in this bar. Then we have the background color to change, width and height as well. Next we have the slider option. If you want any products to be displayed here or your services, you can do it and add the products and services according to you and with the descriptions. Once again, let's click on this and click on settings. Once we click on this, this is the settings that we get. New slide heading, you can go ahead and change it according to you. Slider 1, slider 2, slider 3. If you want to add, you can do it by clicking on that. Element style and all the customization that you want to do, you can do that by searching about it and clicking on the correct option. Next we have form. Here is the form. You can edit it, and when we click on the settings option, see, now we have to this is this autoresponder setting. Select autoresponder. Once you will connect any autoresponder to your account, then it will give you the options to select from. Select email list, form name, button text and thank you message. You can also enter URL, the redirect URL, add input field, your name, your email, your message. If you want to delete any of these from here, you can do that, or you can rearrange this as well. So next up, the element style. Again, you can customize it according to your app and your requirements. Then we have the rating option. If we click on this and click on settings, these are the settings that we will be getting here. See, button text, add review, you can change it according to yourself. Whatever you want to write, you can do that. Then element style, you can go ahead and customize it. Then we have map. If you want to show your location in a map, your business, your website, or where do you belong, here is the option. You can click on this, click on settings. Map address, you can enter your map address, and again you can change the color and the width of the map. Then we have the social sharing. To share your application on social media, we will be clicking on add option. Here, social links, title, and Facebook, Twitter, LinkedIn, Instagram, and if you have any other social links, you can add it also. Let's click on this and click on settings. Here, new social title, you can edit it. If you want to add any social media account, you can go ahead and add. If you want to delete these, if you want to edit, you can. Here you can select how you want to preview it. And then we have grid. Here is the grid. You can add the pictures you want to. If you want to add any text, you can add text to it. Let's click on settings. List per row, grid height, you can check all these settings here and edit it according to your requirements. Slideshow, if you want a slideshow, you can click on this. Box style, if you want square, circle, or button style, you can click on that. Text position, if you want it in a center position, you can click on that. If you want bottom right, that will be shifted to that. According to that, you can go ahead and customize it. Then we have the list item. You can list all the items here. Once we click on this and click on settings, from here you can check everything out and customize it according to your requirements. Then we have products. Use this element to show your products of selected category. So here is the choose product category. You can write it and customize it. Here you can see, if you want to go ahead and do a slideshow for this is a slideshow, you can click it here. Then the product preview, you can select it according to your requirement. Select product category, then the color and the text color. Then we will go ahead and click on booking. We will use this element to show our appointment event form for selected booking plan. Let's click on add. This is the booking heading. It is a long established fact that a reader will be distracted by the readable content. So you can click here and edit it. So you can add all these components that are present here, and you will be able to click on it and edit it in a detailed version by here. Now here is a book now option. You can customize it. If you do not want to write it as a book now, you can customize it according to yourself. Then booking plan, background color, button background color, and all the details that you want to change. Then we have loyalty. Allow your app users to collect cards of selected loyalty programs. Now let's add this one. Once we click on this, here You can select the loyalty program that you want to add. We will understand about this in the video, so please keep watching for understanding this. You can choose the icon and the winning icon. Number of stamps per row, you can select it according to your requirements. Then we will go ahead and go with subscription. Show your subscription plans by clicking on the add button. Click on this. Here you have all the things, so according to that we have all the items listed here. You can click on it, whatever you require in your app, you just click here, set it, update it, and it will be updated accordingly. Now once the app is done, you can go ahead and click it, save it as a template, or you can also view your app. And if you are sure that your app is ready to be published, click on publish app. So once we are done with the app, now see we have two options here, because we have created one more app with the name of astrology. Once you come on this page, you will see all the details, and then there is engage leads option, from where you can engage with your customers or viewers or users of the app. So we have the notifications option. You can send notifications to the customers, send notification, then it will be push notification message pop up. You can enter all the details and click on send. Then we have the SMS option. Again we can click on send new option, and this will be the pop-up that we will be getting. We will have to fill all the details and click on send. We can schedule the SMS message or the notification as well. Then we have the booking manager. By this booking manager, you can create bookings for events or appointments that the users will then be able to make in the app. So let's go ahead and click on add new plan. So here in this pop-up, we are asked for the title of the plan, booking type, event date. Let's go ahead and fill in the details. If the booking type is an event or an appointment or reservation, we can click and choose accordingly. Then the event date, if you click on appointment or reservation, this is the screen we will be getting. It will ask you for your serving time, the start and end time, working days, booking available per slot, and slot duration. So it is a default duration that has been set, that is for 60 minutes. You can edit it. Then we have the option to select the holiday dates that you are not available on. Registration starts 10 days before and approved by default. Let's click on submit. Once we click on submit, this is the booking that we created. Now we have loyalty program. You can add loyalty programs for the customers. Here you can enter the name of your loyalty program, program type, if it is an online one or offline one, you can select it. Then minimum amount to gain a point and redeem value per point. So you can select it according to yourself and click on submit. Here is the loyalty program that has been added to our tool or app. Then the last option is quiz. Here you can add any quiz that you want in the app so that the customer will be engaging too. You can add the quiz title. Then you can add the question option. You will have the options to add the option in here, and if you want to remove an option, you can do that by clicking it on the cross sign. You can also go ahead and add the questions. So whatever answer that you want to be correct, you can click on this and then just go ahead and click on save quiz. Once the quiz has been saved, it will be visible here. Now next we have the analytics. In this we will have to actually add our details and link an account. Then we have in analytics all the app data, app rating, app users and forms data. You'll get all these from here. You can select the date range from where from where you want to view the data. Installs and visits, you can filter this according to yourself. You can narrow your search down. Then here all the app ratings that the customers have given to your app will be mentioned here. This will include the name of the customer, the email of the customer, the rating that they provided, any comments that they have added, and the date that the review was added on. And then according to that you can understand what the customer wants and what are the customer's opinion about your products or services. Next up we have the app users. You will get all the users list in this tab. Then all the customers who will be filling the forms which is mentioned in your app will be visible here. Then we have the products and orders tab. You can add all the products that you want in this section. Then all the orders that are placed will be visible there. And once we click on add new product, we have all the details here that we need to fill. The product's name, product's category, product type, if that is digital or physical, you can select. Enter the product description here, the price of the product, tax, and the thank you page URL. The buyer will be redirected to this page after purchasing only this product. So if you want to show buy now button, you can click on this, and for add to cart button, click on this. You can go ahead and create a variant for the same products and go ahead and save it. Next up we have the subscriptions, subscription plan, subscribers list, and subscribers transaction. Let's click on subscription plan. Here you can select all the subscription plans that you have and you want the customers to subscribe to. For subscription plans, only PayPal payment gateway is supported at the moment. So this is it. Select subscription default page, astrology or default, whatever you want to select, you can do that. Select payment method and continue to app. If you want to add payment method, you can click here. Now for example, we just have a payment method that is PayPal, so it is selected here, so if you can go ahead and select it. Then payment accounts, the accounts that are linked to your account settings, your main tools account, you will get the options here. Then we have the subscribers list. As the name suggests, you'll get all the subscribers details in this bar: subscribers name, subscription ID, plan name, amount, and start date, and what is the status of the subscriber. Then we have subscriptions transactions. Again, as the name suggests, we'll get all the transactions of the subscriber. So in the coupon settings, we will get this screen from where we can add the coupons for the customers. First, the coupon title, the description, minimum order value, enter minimum selling price of the product that we want to add coupon on, offer type, if there is percentage or flat off, you can select it according to your requirements. Then offer start date and time and end date and time, and the last coupon code. Then we'll click on generate. Once we click on generate, you'll get a coupon code generated for the details that you have provided. Then you can go ahead and click on add. Here is the coupon code for the users to avail. Then we have the option for delivery manager. Here you can add the delivery manager if the customers order anything, so you will have to add the delivery manager who can go ahead and deliver the product to the customer. The first name, last name, enter email address, then password, confirm password, assign orders to the delivery manager. Then we have the option to add courses. So in case of any requirement, like if you want any courses to be included in your app, so you can go ahead and create courses in this section. Click on add new course. You can enter course name, summary of the course, description of the course, payment type. If obviously the customers will go ahead and purchase your courses according to the description and the summary of your course, then just go ahead and select the payment, single price, subscription or a free, choose it accordingly, then enter your price and click on save. Here we do not have anything, so let's just fill this. And so here we have completed the details and clicked on save. Now you can see all the details here, the preview, title, featured, if that course is featured or not. If you have selected the option as a feature, then it will be yes. Then we have payment type, amount, chapters, status, if that is active or not. If you want to add more chapters and modules, you can do that. Click on modules option and the same thing will happen. Then after this we have agency, white label. All the plans that you have purchased for this, all the plans will be visible here. You can go ahead and click on everything. Then we have lead finder. Here you enter search query to find business. You can enter keyword of the business that you're finding or looking for, the location in which you are looking for that business, website or app, the radius, you can narrow it down to the radius. Then category, you can select it here. For example, let's click and add a keyword, bakery, put location India. Then we have radius and here bakery. Let's click on search. You'll get all the leads according to your search page. Next up we have just millionaire. This is the username of this account, so let's click on this and see what all account settings we have for our tool. Now first we have the profile settings, in which we have some personal details here, and you can go ahead and upload the image of yourself or whatever image that you want to be your profile picture as. Then you can go ahead and edit or create new password by this. Then we have integration autoresponders. We understood this point and engage leads and all the elements here. There was an option to select an autoresponder, so here is how we can link them to our account. Analytics settings, here you will be entering your tracking ID and link it to your account, so that it will help in all the apps that you generate from this tool to get the viewers and analytics of the users of the app. Then we have the SMS settings. Again, I mentioned Twilio and Vonage. You can enter all the details. If you're using Twilio, you can enter these details. If you are using Vonage, you can enter all the details and click on submit. So that SMS tool will be linked to your account. Then we will have payment methods. We can go ahead and add your payment method that you want to link to your tool. So this is account name, payment type, PayPal, Stripe, Square. Then we have PayPal ID, client ID, client secret, and we can then add the payment method to our account. So this was all about the walkthrough of this video.
Okay guys, so the front-end offer is going to be $37, $47 for the commercial license, but after you buy the front-end offer, you will be presented with some upsells. Now, the first one is going to be unlimited version, $97 per year, and with this one, basically you can go unlimited with the software and you can create unlimited apps and you can sell unlimited apps and all of these features here. Upsell number 2 is going to be the Pro version, $67. And with this one, they will give you 5 new templates every single month with 50 brand new templates access. I mean, they will give you more templates with this one. Also, fast mobile apps, unlimited access to new design blocks, autoresponder integration, reseller panel for 50 accounts. Next, we have upsell number 3, which is going to be agency, $59. And with this one, they will give you agency features. So you can add your clients, add members, team access. You also get web hosting, which is pretty cool. So yeah, plus more features here. Upsell number 4 is going to be the white label version. And this one is going to be $297. But essentially with the white label version, you can rebrand AppOwls24 and you can sell it as your own. I mean, it will be your own, right? You can add your own logo, your own custom domain, your own colors and stuff like that, and essentially sell it and keep 100% of the profits. Upsell number 5 is going to be the done for you version, $97, and with this one you get 100 mobile apps done for you for local businesses with custom logo, custom setup, and all these features here, right? Now the bundle, as I said, if you decide to buy the bundle, the entire funnel, just click on this green button and you will be paying about $267 because you might want to use this coupon code at checkout and you will get $50 off, right? So with the bundle, you get everything that I've showed you with these upsells and the front-end offer and stuff like that. So yeah, now if you want to buy only the front-end offer and maybe one of these upsells, just click on this purple button, right? Again, scroll down below, check out my bonuses, and yeah. Now in a nutshell, guys, this is AppOwls24, and this software, it's a really established software. I mean, a really successful software because they launched this 2 years ago and it was a successful launch. Everyone loves it. And now with the updated version, the new features, especially the fact that you can sell courses inside of this app is really, really cool, right? So yeah, definitely a great mobile app builder. So again, if you want to pick this up, the link is down below. And if you have any questions, guys, make sure you ask them below. And I think I will end this video here. It's going for about half an hour now. So yeah, make sure you like this video. Also subscribe to my channel for more videos like this one. And I will catch you up in my next video. Until then, stay safe. Bye bye.